Most of the time, we just assume the air we breathe at home is fine, because we can't see the microscopic mess floating right in front of our faces. You walk into a room that has been shut up all day, and there's that heavy, stale feeling that you just can't shake. That is where this new smart air cleaner from Xiaomi tries to step in and change the vibe without making a scene. It is built for the person who wants cleaner air but absolutely hates the roar of a jet engine in their living room. Most of these machines sound like they are trying to take off. But this one is obsessed with being quiet. It is almost eerie how still it feels while it is working away in the background. You could put this thing right next to your bed or in a corner of your home office and completely forget it is there. That is the real magic here. It is not about a sudden blast of mountain air the second you flip a switch. Instead, it is a slow, steady transformation. You leave it running, and after a few hours, you notice that the environment just feels lighter. It is less about a dramatic before and after shot and more about that gradual shift where you stop sneezing or realize the lingering smell of last night's dinner has finally vanished. The design is super clean and minimal. It looks like a sleek white pillar of modern tech that does not scream for attention. It just sits there, looking professional and blending into your furniture. Interaction is simple too. You are not fumbling with a million buttons or trying to decode some complex interface. You just let it do its thing. Now, keep your expectations in check because this is not a miracle worker. It is not going to scrub every single molecule of dust out of a massive open plan house in 5 minutes. If you have a huge room or high levels of pollution, you're going to have to be patient. Placement matters a lot here. You need to put it where the air can actually circulate. It sits right in that sweet spot for people who value a peaceful environment over raw, aggressive power. It is practical and refined. It is for the person who wants to breathe better without their house sounding like a construction zone. Think about those tiny particles you see dancing in a sunbeam. This machine is basically a silent guardian against those little guys. It focuses on the long game. Over several days of use, the air quality feels more consistent. It is a reliable partner for your daily routine. You do not have to worry about adjusting it constantly. It handles the heavy lifting while you sleep or work. It is an honest piece of tech that does not overpromise. It just works quietly and effectively. You do not notice it while you are in the room, but you definitely notice when it is gone. That is the hallmark of good design. It solves a problem without creating a new one, like a loud fan or a confusing app. It feels like a natural extension of a modern home. If you're tired of waking up with a stuffy nose or feeling like the air in your office is standing still, this is a solid choice. It handles the basics with a level of grace you do not often see in home appliances. It is steady. It is reliable. It lets you live your life without getting in the way. It is a testament to the idea that better living does not always have to be loud or flashy. Sometimes the most effective tools are the ones that work in total silence while you focus on what really matters,